welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's class we'll be doing the exercises on the kinds of adverbs. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So in the first question you have to underline the adverbs in the given sentences. So how an action basically is performed or took place, it tells us more about an adjective, adverb or a verb. So without any further ado, let's get started with the exercises. Ashok practiced soccer frequently. So practice is a verb here, practicing is an act. So how is he practicing soccer? Frequently. So frequently is you have to underline frequently. Jagdish always wanted to be an astronaut. So how often Jagdish wanted to become an astronaut? He always wanted to become an astronaut. So answer is always. Arun's father sang the song loudly. So how did Arun's father sang the song? Loudly. So loudly is the underlined word which is an adverb. The small girl eagerly licked her ice cream cone. So how did the small girl licked her ice cream cone? Eagerly, utsukta se. So eagerly is the answer. My parents will arrive tomorrow. When will my parents arrive? Tomorrow. It is telling about the it is telling about the action of time basically. It is telling about the adverbs of time tomorrow. So tomorrow is the adverb over here. Take this medicine twice a day. So how often should I take the medicine? Twice, 2 times a day. So twice is an adverb here. So underline twice. Alice rapidly fell into the rabbit hole. So how did Alice fell into the rabbit hole? Rapidly, jaldi se. We expect rain all week. So what do we expect? Rain to come all week. So all is the adverb here. The angry bear in the forest growled menacingly. So how did the angry bear growl? Menacingly. The show will begin soon. So when will the show begin? Soon. So soon is the adverb over here. Let us proceed into another exercise. You have to rewrite the following sentences using the adverbs given in the bracket at the appropriate place. So you have to fix the adverb which is given in the bracket at the appropriate place in between the sentences. Okay, how we will do this question? You write one, you will write the whole of this question and then write is equal to and write the correct edited version of with using the adverb. So Sita can play the guitar well. So सी क्या होगी पोजीशन फेयरली की सेंटेंस में? सीता कैन प्ले द गिटार फेयरली वेल. सीता कैन प्ले द गिटार फेयरली वेल. द ब्राइट लुक्ड ब्यूटिफुल. सो इट इज़ यहाँ पर हमें एडजेक्टिव के पहले लगाना है. तो क्या हो जाएगा? द ब्राइट लुक्ड क्वाइट ब्यूटिफुल. आई स्पीक टू हिम ब्रैकेट में रेयरली. मैं कभी कभी उससे बात करती हूँ. आई रेयरली स्पीक टू हिम. ही कट्स हिज नेल्स डैश. सो वो अपने नाखून रोज काटता है, रेगुलरली काटता है. ही कट्स हिज नेल्स रेगुलरली. शी कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली. सो it is telling about the quality. One adverb is qualifying another adverb. So she can speak English. She can speak English. She can fairly speak English fluently. Fairly speak verb से पहले place करना है. She can fairly speak English fluently. The train has left. तो ट्रेन अभी ही छूटी. तो train has just left. He will give up hope. वो कभी भी होप नहीं छोड़ेगा. He will never give up hope. तो हमने क्या किससे पहले प्लेस किया? एक वर्ब से पहले. Have you been to London? और बीच में हमें लगाना है ever. So have you ever been to London? Does he commit mistake? Usually मतलब ज़्यादातर वो क्या गलतियाँ ही करता रहता है. Does he usually commit mistakes? The exam will be over. तो एग्ज़ाम जल्द ही ओवर हो जाएंगे. तो the exam will be over soon. वर्ब से पहले हमने इसको प्लेस किया, वर्ब के बाद. ओके, सो यू हैव टू मेक एडवर्ब्स. ये एडजेक्टिव्स में उनके एडवर्ब बनाने हैं और एडवर्ब बनाने के लिए यू हैव टू पुट ly. ओके, जैसे प्रोबेबल का बन जाता है प्रोबेबली, ब्रेवली, ट्रूली, श्योरली, लेजीली, केयरफुली, बिजीली. तो बिजीली की स्पेलिंग क्या हो जाएगी? BUSILY. बिजीली, extremely, faithfully, widely, beautifully and wholly. So this we have to add L1 and form the words. So what you have to do is you have to choose the appropriate adverb and fill in the blank. Okay. He brushes his teeth. He brushes his teeth. So how often do we brush our teeth? Daily. So he brushes his teeth daily. The child slept. How did the child sleep? The child sleeps soundly with peace. So the answer is soundly. They listened to my lecture attentively. तो बच्चों ने मेरा लेक्चर कैसे सुना? Attentively, ध्यान से. I dash used to tease him a lot. I really, मैं सच में उसे बहुत ज़्यादा टीज करती थी. I really used to tease him a lot. She dash comes late for school. So ज़्यादातर वो स्कूल लेट ही आती है. She often, how often she come late to school? Often. She often comes late to school. He is dash fat to run for long distance races. वो बहुत मोटा है long distance race run करने के लिए. He is too fat. TOO. You need to work hard. Your performance was not good dash. तो तुम्हें मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है. तुम्हारी जो परफॉर्मेंस थी अच्छी नहीं थी. Was not good enough. We should speak dash to our elders. हमें अपने elders से कैसे बात करनी चाहिए? Politely. We should speak politely to our elders. He acted dash well and deserved appreciation. तो उसने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया और वो तारीफ लायक था. So he acted fairly well. The officer was dash impressed with his performance. The officer was nearly, लगभग वो impress हो ही चुका था उसकी परफॉर्मेंस से. The officer was nearly impressed with his performance. The prime minister listened dash to the complaints of the villagers. The prime minister, how will the prime minister listen? Patiently, आराम से सुनेगा किसकी complaints को? Villagers की complaints को. Many houses have been destroyed by earthquake. Many houses have been destroyed by earthquake dash. तो हाल ही में बहुत सारे earthquake आए थे और बहुत सारे houses destroy हो गए. तो क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Recently. 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 The house is dash comfortable. The house is काफ़ी comfortable है घर. The house is quite comfortable. QUITE quite. The bucket was nearly, okay, the bucket was dash, लगभग वो full हो गई थी bucket. The bucket was nearly full. She ran dash but could not win the race. वो भागी तो तेज थी but वो race win नहीं कर सकी. तो she ran fast but could not win the race. Now you have to find the you have to find the adjective here and you have to underline that adjective and then you have to fill in the blank with the correct we have to fill in the blank with the correct derived adverb. Okay, for example, James is careful. He drives dash. तो इसकी क्वालिटी क्या बता रहा है जेम्स की कि वो केयरफुल है. इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट द क्वालिटी दैट इज जेम्स इज केयरफुल. तो केयरफुल हैव टू अंडरलाइन केयरफुल विच इज एन एडजेक्टिव. तो एडजेक्टिव से एडवर्ब कैसे बनाते हैं? जब हम ly लगा देते हैं. ही ड्राइव्स केयरफुली. द गर्ल इज स्लो फुल स्टॉप. शी वॉक्स डैश. सो व्हाट हाउ इज द गर्ल डिस्क्राइब्ड हियर? स्लो. तो स्लो इज एन एडजेक्टिव ओवर हियर. शी वॉक्स स्लोली. Her English is perfect. She speak English dash. So her English is perfect. So perfect is an adjective which is describing the particular person, her, and she speaks English perfectly. Our teacher is angry. Our teacher is angry. She shouts dash. Okay. So it is describing about the quality, the emotion of the teacher, that she is angry and she is shouting angrily. So she shouts angrily. What will be the spelling? ANGRILY instead of Y. Question number 5. My neighbor is a loudspeaker. He speaks dash. So loud speaker. So loud is a adjective over here. Underline loud and he speaks loudly. LOUDLY. He is a bad writer. He writes badly. Bad is an adjective. You have to underline bad. And he writes badly. Jane is a nice guitar player. She plays the guitar nicely. 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 He is a good painter. He paints well. She is now good is here the adjective. She is a quiet girl. She does her job quietly. 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 This exercise is easy. You can do it easily. You have to remove y and put ILY. EASILY. So you have to rewrite the jumbled words by placing the adverbs in the right order. So usually friendly is very Lakshit. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Lakshit is usually very friendly. Friends with my poor play always. I always play with my friends. So कैसे करना है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डालना है, पहले जम्बल्ड वर्ड करना है, इसके बाद इज इक्वल टू करके करेक्ट सेंटेंस करना है. ओके. यू हैव बिन टू मुंबई. हैव यू एवर बिन टू मुंबई? और क्वेश्चन मार्क, क्योंकि ये इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. यूजुअली पुनीत गेट अप डजंट 7. ओके. सो द आंसर इज पुनीत यूजुअली डजंट गेट अप बिफोर 7. टेस्ट फ्रेंड्स राइट must also our friends must also write the test. I was only joking. August, the weather is always pleasant. Okay, so the weather is always pleasant in August. Quickly the child under the bed hid the. So the child quickly hid under the bed. You both did flight enjoy the. So you both enjoy. Okay, the answer will be interrogative because it is an interrogative sentence. Did you both enjoy the flight? Meenal watches TV hardly ever. Meenal hardly watches TV ever. Sorry, the answer is Meenal hardly ever watches TV. So now you have to change the adjectives and put adverbs in the following sentences. The children played dash in the garden. The children happy का adjective है, adverb डालना है. The children played happily in the garden. HEPPILY. Mr. Goyal drives badly. Sameer runs fast. So fast automatically fast तो ये adverb ही दिया हुआ है, तो the answer is fast. Rahul does his homework dash. So Rahul does his homework slowly. They ran out of the cinema immediately. It's not good to eat quick हो जाएगा quickly. The children worked busily. Please work, अगर यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट में मैं लिखना भूल गई, पर आपको लिखना है quiet. तो please work quietly. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.